One more time, Coursera is offering free courses, and by watching this video full, you got to know about all these courses. Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge. This is the platform of Coursera, and Coursera is offering free courses while on the celebration of Holi. So this offer is valid till April 2nd, means till tomorrow. So if you watching this video, please share with your friends, and also you, after watching this video full, start picking your favorite courses. So here you can see there are courses of personal development, where you find there are different type of courses like science of exercise, how to write a resume. It is a project centered course. After that there is a course from University of Michigan, and also last course is of creative problem solving. After this type of 10 courses, here this is the course based on social sciences, where you got courses from different universities, very big universities. Here the course of ethical social media is also included, and also there is a courses of arts and humanities, where making architecture. One more time, it is free. One video is also already on my channel on this, where from watching that you can easily get a free certificate from IE school, which offers making architecture course. So if you want that certificate, you just go and watch that video on my channel. And this is the last course of Tricky American English. So this is the whole courses. More than 20 courses are there, and now I am going to show you how to get this for free. So I am choosing one of the course, that is of how to write a resume. You need to go through the link in the description. From there you can get this type of courses for free. If you directly search on Coursera platform and you think that you got this type of courses free, that's not possible. So here you can see in the banner above, you can see that your cost will be automatically adjusted to free at checkout. So when you are going to enroll for this course, at the time of checkout you got this totally free. So here you can see about the course and also about the instructor, and you got a shareable certificate. And this is a 100% online course, and only 5 hours needed to complete this course. So there are many courses. All the courses are very short, not more than 24 hours. So you can enroll any course and just complete in some time. So here you can see the cost for this is totally zero, there is no cost. And after that I got enrolled, and you can see that I can access all the contents of this course. Here you can see total the contents of week 1, and total 5 week course contents are there, and also some quizzes are there. So I just showing you all the contents, not going to solve any quizzes. And if you want the answers, so you can comment. If I complete this course, I just put these answers on my Telegram channel. So you can also join my Telegram channel. There is a link in the description. You go through that and join my channel, where I already uploaded and all daily upload some free courses and other things. So I am going to show you that if you want 2 courses for free from this, so it is not possible. So at the time of choosing, be careful. You can choose only one course with while using this offer. You got only 1 courses for free. So you can see here I choose second course of creative problem solving, and it is not possible to get this course for free by that process or the offer which is Coursera offering on Holi. But you can take all the courses by different methods, just like financial aid and other things. So not only watch this video, also share with your friends so they also could benefit it. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel and like this video. Please support us by subscribing.